Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing the RAZR Plus 2023. I just got this one from T-Mobile, but it should be pretty much the same as all the other ones. So on the right side, it just says Motorola. On the top, there's nothing. On the left side, it says plastic-free packaging. And then on the bottom, it gives you all the information about the phone, like the model number and the kit that you got. On the back is just the normal stuff, tells you it's the RAZR Plus, has a USB-C cord, guides, and SIM tool. But let's open this up. And here's the phone. So the first thing it tells you is you don't want to remove the attached, internal screen protector or use third-party screen protectors on the internal screen. Doing so will void the device warranty. It's kind of weird that it does that, and I always find it interesting that the second language is going to be in French, not Spanish. But either way, we'll put that aside and we'll try to lift this thing out. And here's obviously the area where the cable and documents are. So we'll take this out, kind of. I don't really know what I'm doing here. So here's the USB-C cable. I'm assuming it's 2.0. I guess I just took part of the box out. Here's the SIM card ejector. Here's the terms and condition card. And then here's the README for the RAZR. One side is in English, the other side is in Spanish. Again, making the French on that paper not really making sense to me. Then we got the legal, safety, and regulatory paper. So yeah, we'll just try to put this all back together. I kind of messed up the box, but whatever. It all kind of fits back in place. Let's put this all back in the box and grab the phone. And here's the phone, still. Here's the power button. Let's power this on. You got the volume buttons, not a volume rocker on the top, which is kind of interesting. Metal around the phone, and a little SIM card tray on the top left, and a bunch of microphones. Well, let's skip through this, get into the phone, and check out that camera, which has a little external view thing turned on by default. That's kind of cool. And then you can fold it like this, something you couldn't do on the normal RAZRs. I'm pretty sure you can do it on the 2022 one, and obviously on this one. Then the settings are a little bit different. I kind of wanted those to be like the Motorola Edge Plus that I have, but it's just the newer version, I guess. Check out that front camera as well, and it looks like we can do 4K at 60 frames per second, so that's pretty cool. And then the back can only do 4K at 30. Wait, you gotta push this to get to 60 or 30, but on the front, it's just in that top area. Why isn't that consistent? Well, here's the lock thing. This can kind of teach you how to use a phone, but we'll just skip over that. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. It is pretty much the same thing that you had on the regular RAZR, just obviously a bigger screen. I don't know if that extra area on the bottom is worth it, but I think it's cool that it does go around the cameras. I'm just not sure how useful that is. And of course, on most things, we can open it up to go directly into whatever we were just on, but it's kind of strange because now this thing is like all the way to the left instead of in the middle, so I don't know what happened there. But either way, I'm going to set this up how I like, and I will do a review on this. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, okay. I'm going to attempt to power off this phone. Okay, there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.